Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in to PlayHair Collection TV. We just wanted to go over a few quick tips so that you know how to properly color your island curl hair. And when you first get your PlayHair collection, your quality hair extensions, they do come in this fabulous satin finish bag, which is great for carrying your hair back and forth to the salon, and just when you de-install your hair, to be able to keep it and maintain the longevity that your quality hair extensions will give you. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage the bag so that you can just get a feel for the size of the bundles. This island curl hair is actually it's a shorter version. I think this particular client wanted to just kind of do a really nice vibe. So you can see that the hair is it's a nice size in terms of the amount that you get in the package. So we're gonna go ahead, and before I bust down the hair, let me just tell you what I'm gonna use to lighten this hair. This particular client of ours likes to have like a sort of a piano mix or an ombre sort of mix. She likes a light blonde, but then also some darker blonde kind of weaved in there. I am gonna go ahead and use bleach, as we say in the hood, as we professionals say in the salon, hair lightener. I'm using this Joico. You really can use, any kind of lightener that you prefer. I like the Joico cream lightener because I hate the powdery stuff. The powder spills all over the place and it can get really messy. So Joico has a really nice cream lightener, and of course we're using 30 volume to mix with our lightener. They claim that it's fragrance free, but that's not the truth. So I don't know why they have that on there. They need to just take that off. However, it is a very good product. So we're gonna go ahead and unpackage our hair. I'm gonna mix the Joico lightener. What you wanna do when you mix your lightener is you wanna use equal parts. So equal parts of the actual lightener and then equal parts of your developer. I've been doing this for a long time, so I don't typically measure anymore. However, if you're uncomfortable, go ahead and measure. Don't be afraid. I have my paintbrush, as I call it. Of course, you need something to mix everything in. I use my little egg beater to mix everything up. And then you want to get yourself some aluminum foil, or they have the sort of the parching paper that you can use. You can use, paper that you might cover your cookie sheet with if you want, just something so you don't make a mess. The other reason that I like the cream lightener is because you'll find that unlike the powder bleaches, it will apply very nicely to the hair. So we're going to go ahead and set everything up and show you how to get right into it. So first, you want to go ahead and stir your mixture. Make sure you get it nice and creamy, no lumps. Next, you want to go ahead and lay your foil platform. Be sure that it's nice and neat so that you don't make a mess all over your furniture. You can also fold your bundles. As you can see, I folded mine about 2 times. And then just evenly distribute the product throughout your bundles, throughout the hair. You can, if you like, flip your bundles and apply the product to both sides of the hair. The cream lightener will sort of bleed through, so you don't have to worry about that if you're using cream lightener. And then just fold your foil gently together so that all of the hair is secure and wrapped neatly inside. And then you can go ahead and place your foiled bundles into a plastic cap. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to color 2 bundles. I am going to color the first bundle as you first saw with the lightener, and once I wrapped it, I stuck it under the dryer. And you don't want to dry your hair or heat your hair for longer than 15 minutes, and that's just my preference. If you are someone who likes a really high blonde, then I would recommend that you take it up into, you know, a couple different sessions, you really want to be careful not to compromise the integrity of the curl. So we're going to dryer the one bundle for about 10 minutes, and then the other bundle will get absolutely no heat because I wanted to have two different shades of blonde. So the one with no heat, of course, won't be as light. And don't fret, if you don't have a dryer at home, a hand dryer will suffice, because again, you don't want to keep the heat on it for longer than 10 minutes. So try both ways, play around with it, be creative, have fun, and see what you get. Now you want to rinse the product from the hair very thoroughly. Be sure to get it all out. And once I've rinsed the hair to my desire, I like to co-wash it using Cream of Nature. It's one of my favorites. So I just do a quick co-wash with the conditioner and run the product through the hair. Make sure you saturate the hair very well, and then just do a quick rinse. And as you can see with the brush, there's no shedding. The brush is going through very nicely. It's really some very pretty hair. So you want to be careful with that color so that you don't compromise that curl, because that curl is bouncing back. It's springy. Look at that. So again, this is the lighter bundle that's in my hand that I actually set under the dryer with heat, and the one that's laying in the background we did not heat, and so it's just a little bit darker just to give us that contrast, that nice medium brown versus a nice golden color. And maybe we'll come back and show you some styles once we install this into our client. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you continue to tune in, because we're going to share all kind of cool tips, hair care tips, tips on how to take care of your hair extensions, and some really cool ways to style your hair. So make sure you check us out on IG, PlayHair at PlayHair Collection, and is that all?